Hey friends, Tom Wylie here, and this is going to be a little bit different video, but I'm trying to start something that hopefully you guys will appreciate and enjoy. I have been doing almost entirely how-to videos on my channel. Those have been by far the most popular, the most appreciated, the most liked and commented, and the ones that have grown the most have been how-to type tutorial videos. And I've tried to keep those as short and as concise as I possibly can edit them down to be, but I haven't been including any of the update homestead story stuff as far as what's going on in our lives, why we're doing any of this, and that kind of thing. And I want to include some of that because it's important and it's valuable, and people that have heard our story have responded well to it and appreciated the lessons we've learned and things. So I want to be sharing that stuff. Here's the thing, I don't have much time for editing videos right now. Right now we're just in a super busy season where we're on this new homestead, and there's just a lot going on. I work a full-time job doing carpentry, construction, hands-on stuff, so I get pretty exhausted from that during the week, and then I have very limited time to do stuff around here as well as do any kind of video work. And so I try to get like the videos that I think will be the most impactful, the most helpful, and that I can edit the fastest. Those are the ones that I choose to try to get out the soonest. But that means that I never get to the homestead update stuff. So I'm gonna try a new thing. I'm gonna try doing a short video like this. This is 2 minutes long so far. I'm going to try to not edit this video at all so I can actually get it up today. I'm going to do short update videos like this and just see how it happens. I might just tag on updates at the end of tutorial videos or something, but I'm trying to keep those short. I try to keep those under 10 minutes. And if I'm actually trying to teach something and show something in any kind of detail, it's super hard to edit it down to 10 minutes or less. Let me just end this video with a super brief rundown of where we've come from, where we're at now. My family of 5, it's my wife, Sarah, no, me, my wife, Sarah, and then our 3 kids. Miss M is the oldest, Miss A, and then Mr. C. So all of us started early 2017, late 2016. We decided to list our home that we had in town in Spokane, Washington. We had a house in kind of semi-town, almost country, but not quite, but still on the, very much in the edge of town. We remodeled that house. It was a fixer-upper when we bought it. We finished remodeling it, sold it because we saw the market doing what it was doing. Timing was right. We knew that our third child, our son, was on the way right then. We knew that we were going to need a new house soon in order for all of us to fit and to be able to grow and do the things that God is leading us to do. We needed a bigger place. We wanted to get out in the country more. We wanted to get rural. We wanted to be able to do homesteading stuff and to learn how to produce our own food and garden and raise animals. And we've always wanted to live in the country. I grew up most of my life in the country or semi-country. My wife grew up in the Philippines in the country. We sold our place in Spokane, bought a place in rural North Idaho. It was a raw piece of property. We put in the septic, well, power, driveway, infrastructure kind of things. We built a shipping container shop most of the way. And then several things happened that motivated us to look elsewhere. The area that we had moved into was rapidly getting busier and busier. Not quite as rural as we had hoped. A smelter was moving to town potentially, or nearby. And let's see. Oh, and we ran out of time and money to actually build our house. So we were living in an RV. We ended up living in an RV for 12 months with 3 little kids and a big dog. And it was really hard. We made it through the winter. We survived, but it was really, really challenging. So we ended up selling that property. We listed it spring of 2018, finally sold it fall of 2018, September. and we bought this place. That was 5 acres of raw land that we developed. This is 7 acres with already a mobile home on it, double wide. It's rough around the edges, but it works. It's 1,700 square feet, totally fits our family, with room to grow. Definitely a fixer-upper. We're working on it, and we'll keep working on it, but we've made great strides, and we love this place. So the tiny house that needs to be put back together. There's a chicken coop back there. There's an established garden up there. There's a storage shed, wood shed, shop. All of these rough around the edges and need work, but hey, when you have lived 12 months without hardly any shelter at all, every scrap of shelter you can scrounge up, you appreciate like crazy. So it is so nice being on a property that is already established. It already has all the infrastructure stuff, well, septic, power, driveway, all this stuff. There's also a lower garden, there's a pond, there's a creek. The property is sloped to the south. We're surrounded by forest. We've got mountains around. It's just beautiful. We absolutely love it here. So this is our new place. This is our new thing to basically take the property from where it is and start making it productive. That is our goal. I'll get into more why we're homesteading, why we're wanting to do this stuff later. This is already way too long, but this gives you a little taste of where we came from, where we're going, what we're doing, and why. The how-to videos are my main content because I have skills, I've had experiences, I've learned a lot over the years. I learned a lot from my grandpa and my experience in general aviation as a pilot and mechanic, and in my work as a carpenter. So I just have a lot of skills and tips and tricks that I can share, and people respond to it really well. They learn well from me. And so I want to do that. I want to help people out, especially people that didn't grow up fixing stuff around the house or watching their grandpa fix the car or fix the roof when it leaked or whatever. I want to help people that need to learn that. So if you're one of those people, if you want to learn those skills, particularly if you didn't grow up using those skills, using your hands, using tools, stick around, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon if you want to know exactly when I release new videos. Stick around if you want to see more, and I'm going to wrap it up before it hits the 9-minute mark. God bless. We'll see you around. We'll see if this update thing works or not, if I want to keep doing it. See you later. Well, I'm inside now, but I want to give you a quick look at the pond, greenhouse, and lower garden area that we will be working on soon. I want to mention I do have tons and tons of video footage of our development of our previous raw property, putting all the infrastructure in, talking through that stuff, letting you in on some of our planning, why we did what we did, why we put things in different places on the property, decisions we made, and the actual how-to process of a lot of it. I did document that and a lot of the story of going on during that time. Putting skirting around, well, basically making an RV survive the winter so that we stayed warm. We didn't get too much mold going on. We had some plumbing disasters, and we used a wood stove to heat it. We built a tiny house next to it. A lot of stuff like that. So I have all that video. I'm just working on editing it. So it'll be coming. It'll be a while though. I'm trying to more keep up with current stuff that's currently happening. That I can get out to you guys sooner. But those videos are coming, so stick around if you want to learn that stuff. So anyway, that's it. I'm done. Okay, now to get down from here without hurting myself. 3, 2, 1. Ugh.